It's nice, it's frosty, it's cold, it's blue, it's the 4th of July. Today we've got a cocktail and it is called the American Blue Cooler. Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor cocktail channel. It's a holiday weekend. It is the 4th of July. And we all know it's not just a regular 4th of July, it's the 250th birthday of this great nation. Well, we've got parties, we got cocktails, we got a celebration going on. And today, the fuck's the name of this cooler? Today we've got a cocktail and it is called the American Blue Cooler. This is a frozen drink because it's a hot one out there today. And we're gonna make this in a blender. You know what? I got my Margarita Magic Concoction Maker, but you can make this in a blender. You can even make it in a shaker with crushed ice. But it's a cool new toy, so we're gonna do this. If you wanna see how you make it, grab a seat at the bar, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, stick around. We got a great cocktail for you. And we're gonna start in there with 3 ounces of lemonade. Now I'm using freshly homemade lemonade. You can use Country Time, you can use you can use a sparkling lemonade if you want, but we're gonna put about 3 ounces in there. Yeah, that's about 3 ounces in there. We're gonna follow that lemonade up there with some blue Curaçao. Now this is an orange flavored liqueur, but it's blue in color. It tastes the same as a regular dry Curaçao, but it's used for color. We're gonna put 1 ounce in there. You can make your own. I got a link in there somewhere that says how to make your own. It's a little bit better than the really syrupy stuff you make in the store. 1 ounce is going in there. 1 ounce. If you're looking at it when you make it and you want a little bit more blue in there, go ahead and add some more. But 1 ounce should do you on there. Our final ingredient going in there is rum. I'm using a white rum in there. You can use a dark rum. You can use whatever rum flavor that you like. But we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. It's the 4th of July. If you're not driving anywhere and you want to put maybe a skosh bit more in there, go ahead, bump it up to 2 ounces. But 1.5 ounces is what the recipe says. And that's going in the blender. Now, what we would do next is we're going to put ice in there, but the wondrous, magical frozen concoction machine says all I have to do is put that lid on there, and I put it inside the blender. Now we got a couple buttons on here. One of them says that it's ready. I got a flashing light. Then all I need to do is to hit the button. It grinds the ice, and it's going to mix it up for us. So start mixing anything. It's mixed up. Now, if you want more ice in there, if you want it a little bit frothier, you can add more ice to there. This allows me to do that. I'm going to put in there a little bit more ice. And I'm going to mix it up again. Now that everything is all mixed together in there, I can start prepping my glass. We're going to put this in a hurricane glass. Now, if you're sitting by the pool and you want to put it in a solo cup, go right ahead and do that. Another nice thing about this cocktail is it is so amazing looking. The kids are going to look at you going, Mom, Dad, Uncle Bill, please, can I have one? If the kids want one, go ahead and do it. You can use the lemonade, use a blue raspberry syrup, or some like a blue sports drink, and you can make this into a mocktail that the kids can enjoy too. But we want to prep our glass first. So I've got some red sanding sugar in there, and I'm just going to rim that glass with a rind of that lemon. And that's going to get it wet. And we're going to put some red sanding sugar on there. Another fun one for the rib on this is if you can find it. If you remember those old candy Pop Rocks, they're really hard to find now, but if you do those, it's a little bit of a firecracker in there too. Now, all we need to do is pour. And that is our pour. Better take the lid off of this. This is a little bit thicker. So we're just going to pour that in there. It's nice, it's frosty, it's cold, it's blue, it's the 4th of July. Now the only thing we need to do is we are going to put a straw in there. I happen to have some good old American flag straws, and what's the 4th of July without the red, white, and blue? And there is today's cocktail. Let's give this a taste and see how we like it. Did I say brain freeze? This one is lemony. It's got the rum in there so that it's going to get a little bit of kick. This one got a little bit of citrus flavor in it too. This is a great sipper. It's a great cocktail for a hot day, even if it's not 4th of July. Cheers, everybody. We will see you at the next cocktail.